bw'umugusi.
Morire bw'ensoko TV nk'okwana kurandonsi yasore asemambia yabona aseri tukerigaria 25 mutinyo gatatu mwaka bw'echile fuibere 25 na rimo nokwegana kware muna kwabokere bya kwaendere bya kurandonsi yasore asemambia yega asubonchereri asemeremo yago gose obokwarari na boigo asebari murai ase sabari na boigo gendera tukubwati ensoko TV kuro chinsa 12 chiki mami gwekera boniga cyarigere chinsa enye cyabona mami ne tidakika inke cyayitirenga kiyungo kwariganya somurobere yega gwetero bindi go chakira boro wikachisa isana ne mochi abona mubaso asoko morikira na kwanira mangana ao ayogendera tokari kane mambia bona ya etire na boigo ayara cheko bwati tobwatie wetera senchira yo motandao gwekerero Facebook na boigo sense media ya YouTube Ensoko TV na bema wasiliana na moneka tuchiko so senkwane ete mambia bona aseli ya lero Jumatano niko turachiko so ago ikasense moye bunge ya Bunchari abugo no turachikumurekera sense media ya magendera no brai na ali agendera tokore kana aroro na mono asenga kinga mune yiga bosi bogo chori bo mwaka wechile fuibera 25 na kabire no ngoto chiko sanga manera no chikumu manya baadaye na boigo gokwanira ayande amange kura sensemo yo ye bunge ya Bunchari mambia yabone namba ya mawasiliano nigere no 9 na ibere 5 na 3 na 3 ne momara gatano omwerio beka isato tusange asubu amo gochakera bono goiko omwerio ilitariane Ishmael Mogere. Somo chakane mambia yabono ase sabari yo kurwania na gokiania ibirengo byoburwere wa tuberculosis niga serikali ya kianirie oburwere obwo ase ibirengo bya 50 na 5 na ibirengo bya 50 na 5 na 3 okwana ase gosego kwana engaki yo gochengera litiko ya tuberculosis ensengima mu waziri wo Chenado Ndwala ase karogi akorekane tase University ya Nairobi Ndwale niga erere buna county ya Nairobi negative county chiria chitaraikirani obokoreri wo kurwani oburwere obwo tuberculosis ya mase ya mogo ikase enseme yo turaligeri naraliaya agendera tukurwa aroro.
And not just to commemorate World TB Day, but we're here to reaffirm our resolve to end tuberculosis as a public health threat. The theme, yes, we can end TB, led by government, driven by community, is fully aligned with our national health agenda. Ending TB is a government-led, coordinated, result-driven mission that requires every sector and every level of government and every community to play its role. Tuberculosis remains one of the most persistent health and development challenges facing our country. In 2025, 90,900 were diagnosed and initiated on treatment, representing 81% of the estimated burden. This gap represents life missed, families affected, and ongoing transmission within our communities. As a government, we commit to close this gap. And I want to ask the leadership of Nairobi County. They must take the health sector very seriously. I don't know why. I've never seen the CEC for Nairobi County in any of the health functions done in Nairobi. Neither the deputy governor or the governor. And I want to say it here, Nairobi is one of the leading counties in TB closes. Nairobi, Mombasa, Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Migori, Kakamega, Kisumu, Kiambu, Homa Bay. These are the counties that we have mapped out with the partners. And this changes every month and every quarterly. But we really want, because health is devolved, we really want our counties to take the lead.
Because that is where the rubber meets the road. And we would want to see increased funding of the first-line medicine. CS, I'm happy to say that HIV testing among TB patients reached 99%. And out of that, 96% of those found positive were started on antiretroviral therapy. And this is what compassionate, integrated, people-centered care looks like. So, ladies and gentlemen, government cannot end TB alone. So I'm calling upon the private sector to join hands with government. And it will take dedicated healthcare workers, it will take community health promoters, it will take families who stand with their loved ones, like we saw here. It will take survivors who chose to speak out so that others may seek care without fear or shame. So today, I call upon every Kenyan, if you have a cough that is not going away, fever, night sweats, or weight loss, please go for testing early, because TB is preventable, and TB is treatable, and TB is curable. Let us reject stigma, let us choose compassion, let us act with urgency, and let us stand together as one nation, one people, with determination. And
half of the TB cases are actually asymptomatic. And unfortunately, about 2/3 of TB transmission, from what you've seen in prevalence surveys across countries, is that this transmission, 2/3 of the transmission occurs from people without the typical symptoms of TB that we are used to looking for. But all is not lost, because we have the huge opportunity through especially the digital X-rays with artificial intelligence, that are able to pick TB before you become symptomatic, that are able to pick TB that could be easily missed, and that are able to be applied on large scale to really find TB cases. And we've seen already from where we've implemented that the number of cases we are able to identify, put on treatment, and save lives has actually increased. As USG, we remain very committed in 3 stages. So one is around planning and financing, really saying we are all in through the Health Cooperation Framework to really support TB and other public health emergencies, to make sure that the plan does, take care of this. And the second one is really on the implementation phase, that we are supportive of the integrated services. And we have actually invested significantly in the digital X-rays with AI, and are committed to providing support towards integrated service delivery to reduce mortality. And the third one is really partnerships, because TB does involve all of us working together.
I want to take this opportunity to appreciate the role and the responsibilities and the progress that Kenya has made as a country. Currently, our laboratories are better, our diagnostics are faster, drug regimens have improved, but TB is not just a biological problem. TB is a housing problem. TB is a poverty problem. TB is a gender problem, stigma problem, and a housing issue. And therefore, we cannot treat our way out of a structural crisis. We cannot treat our way out of the social and socioeconomic issues. And therefore, we must have a comprehensive approach to addressing TB issues.
Tuberculosis is one of the world's deadliest infectious diseases. yet it is both preventable and curable. In 2024, TB was the leading cause of morbidity and mortality due to a single infectious agent, with approximately 10.8 million people developing TB, including 1.2 million children and adolescents, and nearly 1.2 million lives were lost. Every 83 seconds, a life is lost to TB in the African region.
Asense moyende nige kiumbe gia Donya Charity Mission inse yobisi yumraibwa bangina bwe county ya Kisii Donya Doris Toto bakubwatirana no mokonyi bo mugambi ya Lydia Nyakenyanya bwe kinyorukia bo gusero imiye wodi ya bogetenga ense moye bunge ya South Mugrango bamutolirie omworoki wa munyeroka bwe grade gia ikomikurwase okubeterere goswa asenyumo ya mapema omworoki uyu ogosoma ase skuru ya baisike ya Nduru nigo atorige kurwase nyumo eyo na gosirwo nebintu byo kwendereria asa masomo aye abwase Donya Charity Mission bayimukire getambukiro ekyo erikwene kibuna omwana omwisike ngoyendereria ali asa masomo aye na kubasaba bagambi bebinyoro au kubwatirana eryo kubakonya na kubatoria abanyaroka abwo bagosoigwa ase kinyomo cha mapema na igo gutanga amarito amapema.
Nje samarieta ngolo Lydia Nyakenyanya umugambi mu assistant chief bwe sublocation ye group bogetinga oyo tere nera akuru kwevalini iga nenga yaye kikiagera twachaga iga na batori na barobu bakorie mirimo ba obisia movement de kuito Doris Donya Toto etwachaga iga kwani hapa yo mwana oyitu anyara ko batoko rescue kurwa se ari marriage okoro kudivina oyisa hivi natoko kwana iga ole mwane na ninashukuru ase timu yeye kiara mwamuletere shopping mwana yatanya ko bakagujoin school mwana ya nyomu ekera alingira ikiriko so grade 10 lakini rende bona iganga getengo chiago so school na agaiga no sobo babwato bokomuka indito gosaba bali bakonyara gokonye familia yiga banyekonye abana baro banyare gosoma nandi banyare gotwara engengia. Thank you very much. Tankuru kwe bali nikemuntu ngano gone ro zero gatero umwana ona akuru kutibi nandege tibi nandege ikira bono igaga kina ataka momokonye mumoire sukuru umwana uye yanyare kana akabwata akeminja akagenda bwoyo akera ariko genda kirete lakini rene nyasaye bwanjire mwamonkonye ire mwamokore ire shopping egera umwana oya agende sukuru nyasaye tigamuseseni egera anyare kusoma unarende kerengera keki arenge egera kuri sukuru kana kaba acha gwekonya gututu gake ande nare gusaba gakienge imenyerete imicande menene wari gwanza monkonya none libati elime none kera umugeni undu gwasi agocho so amwane rende none kurarura tako gena none muchiyo bandu chikuraro gusochi kuigamo aina nare gusaba gake none asinkole matimbu gati abana bane bacandegete none yani bakurara bakencha abo gutonda kubumwaka bakumwaka nabona bunango kwana iga none ginko litimbu ati aina arona ari gukwana timbu ati magana mangi nara ina bwati
tamalieta nene nchenkoro kuchena sinyambe kiyendo roni kurbogisero getembe kakyo mongina Donya Doris Donya Toto mbiyamo na singe nchuku akorira amaya gucha sinke yo mwana Muhamedi obwate michande menene gwakorire shopping kakyo mwana oyo gabakora abana babere grade 9 enchire kabura bakogende sukuru bono mwanyo tukarira gocha se moro mwana Donya gwachire gwakorire shopping umwana oyo akorire shopping ataite koira abana be sukuru gakie tugusaba Nyasaye oyo uri iguru akunekero omoyo yoro korigi chikura aramba ari okoba gocha senke yo mwana Muhamedi nyomba te yaso bo maene pi abana abakurara nyaro tatu mwabo na mama mwabo arara buriri gaki mutinyo mwana ya mariga na intu mutotinya mariga mbiyamono nande mbiyamono mwari omwana Donya Toto gakio sa yare mwakorire gendera ko mokonya agachira abana obo bugima mambi barusingi no bosoku na ise nande moroche go barabare mafu ukuragira kuka kore sita amati na tutaka gokonya ntu kunyara aso bo maene pi na kitu yasona niria se serikali motokonye gaki motororera mabira omwana oyo nere mambi abo muntu abana bana barabigu babanyore nkanya aberengiya na bagenda chimbu obo bache konyora ase bagosona agaya na abantu abakunyoma abana abake bakore chisukuru batabwati besa baguchire sukuru oranga bono onyorire omokungu omanya konyoma omwana bwe sukuru omoira totarabeka none birere serikali ekane inu mwamanya gutaburi moira tuabakike iria serie taria Yesu Mushendo kabisa na ande muachuke hiyo kitu mtaendelea kufanya. Tiga bana basome. Mbiyamo na serikali, mbiyamo no tonya tutu. Asa mangana ama ya gwakorire gutokonyo mwana uyu kumutoirire sukuru. Nabana abwatanga na iko gaki.
Asense mwende turetia abagavana nigo baganira ikibesa cya Universal Health Coverage kirekerengo ge bilioni 5.3 kino gutakianda kubwatu kwasenga kyayemo na kiriya kiko genda ase ki county bakorogwa no munyakerwo Ahmed Abdullahi engakiba ikeranire bose bwe committee ya bunge ya Senate ikibesa nigo bairere buna ogotumwa kando gwe kibesa icyo nigo gukwerera kibesa icyo konyoriwa.
And as a council we've taken the position that UHC workers, for us to be able to absorb them on a permanent and pensionable basis in perpetuity, their allocation relating to their salary allowances and generally their HR emoluments should be part of the equitable share and not a conditional grant. With respect to the Division of Revenue recommendations for 2026-2027, which is what brings us here, Chair, we note that the Senate, in its initial 2025 budget policy statement recommendations, had put up a figure of 465. The CRA has put up a case for 458.94 billion shillings. We also note that the National Assembly has made a proposal of 420. As a council, we are proposing 534.96 and will justify.
A week ago, I saw public pronouncements about the county governments being given 450 billion. And that was the conviction that came out. Then I saw what the CRA has recommended. And of course, I have the advantage of being in a committee. And we have to decide between the 520B and the 454 billion. I really want the governors who are here to understand that we believe in devolution. We support you. But I think the reason why county governments are not collecting revenue is not policy. It's because of the corruption that is linked up with the financial platforms which are collecting the revenues, and the ones who don't collect the revenue are actually pocketing the cash. Can we begin to talk with each other truthfully? It's not policy. All of them know. Ask all these governors, they'll tell you. They know. So this story at now let's look at policy. No. Can we get a simple financial platform which works for all the 47 counties, that is verifiable, that is serious, that can manage the financials of our counties? Everything else will fall into place. Chair of CRA, you are telling us that money meant for salaries of UHC workers should not come as conditional grant. I would like you to persuade me more. How does it offend the process when our fear, Chair, is not Abdullahi, not Barasa, but some of the governors, after they have received this money as part of equitable share, then they'll use it for other important county functions, and UHC workers will end up not being paid their salaries. What's wrong with it, the money going there when it is already ring-fenced, that it should be strictly for the salaries of these people? We are saying this because you know the reports from the other institutions showing that many of our county government workers, they have salary in arrears, some up to 3-4 months.
I think the reality here is when we absorb the UHC staff as PNP, the payroll that will be processed will be central payroll. We'll not have different payrolls for UHC staff and other staff. So that fear really should not be there. Once we get the money into equitable share, the payroll will be processed centrally and will be paid like any other staff.
Honorable Chair, during the 12th National and County Governments Coordinating Summit, which was held on 10th December 2025, it was resolved that the allocation of Kenya shillings 8.94 billion was to facilitate counties to pay the UHC workers in perpetuity. It is therefore the considered opinion of the Commission that the 8.94 billion should form part of the equitable share base to counties in the financial year 2026-2027 and going forward. The allocation to each county government should ideally be based on the UHC workers' payroll with the Ministry of Health. However, given that this might warrant a change in the fourth basis, the Commission recommends that the amount be shared among the 47 counties as part of the equitable share. The Commission therefore recommends that county government's equitable share allocation be increased to 458.9 billion in the financial year 2026-2027 to ensure equity in sharing of nationally raised revenue. Honorable Chair, the increment translates to an additional allocation of 43.94 billion, of which 34 billion, or rather 8.43%, from the base is an adjustment for revenue growth, and Kenya shillings 8.94 billion is a transfer from the Ministry of Health budget for the UHC workers.
The Controller of Budget reports non-performance of counties from what they call non-expenditure on development. How does the Controller of Budget judge expenditure? It is based on absorption, meaning payment of bills. That is what to the Controller of Budget is expenditure. But if you go to the ground, there are projects that are benefiting the public, yet they have not been paid for. And therefore, there are not any records of Controller of Budget. You built a whole hospital, but the funds did not arrive in good time, so you've not paid for half of it. But is the hospital benefiting residents? Of course it is. Have you done development? You have. But according to the Controller of Budget, you haven't, because you have not paid. And that needs to be changed. There needs to be a report on pending bills and development being separated, because that is not how it is reported.
Muwaziri omonene boigo muwaziri wa mang'ana y'echinsi cha Musalia Mudavadi nigo aigwire gikaro kia gatatu gia Kenya Mozambique Joint Permanent Commission for Cooperation JPCC aso muchu Nairobi abwase aenekire kubwatirana gwense ya Kenya na Mozambique eri gutinyu bwamate bwae. Mudavadi nigairere buna okubwatirana gw'echinsi chiga ibire nigo gwachagite kuru mwaka bwa 1990 ase akwanere okubwatirana ase chisekta ao buna oburemi chisemi oburendi obonchereri na boigo ebinde ebinge.
It is now my honor to declare this Joint Permanent Commission for Cooperation between Kenya and Mozambique officially open. I thank you. We hold this JPCC at a time of global turbulence that continues to disrupt and create uncertainty in global markets and international relations. In today's highly interconnected world, global crises are rapidly and heavily impacting global energy prices, trade, supply chains, and investor confidence. Unfortunately, this is more felt in the global south, particularly in Africa. Therefore, while we continue to actively advocate for diplomatic solutions, recognizing that peace is essential for protecting livelihoods, supporting economic activities, and ensuring long-term development across the continent, it is paramount that we prioritize the expansion of intra-Africa partnerships and trade. Accordingly, beginning with forward-looking bilateral frameworks such as today's JPCC is critical in accelerating continental integration, thus strengthening resilience and reducing vulnerability to external shocks. Economically, Mozambique's vast natural resource endowment, including natural gas, presents opportunities for enhanced collaboration in the energy sector. Kenya remains keen to explore structured cooperation under existing frameworks, including government-to-government arrangements to strengthen energy security. This is now even more emphatic as a critical target for both of us because of the current Middle East crisis, which is causing a lot of disruptions on critical supply chains, particularly for energy. We would be very happy to source our gas from Mozambique. Kenya also attaches great importance to expanding trade and investment flows between our two countries. Recent trade trends demonstrate positive growth. However, there remains considerable untapped potential. It is essential, therefore, to operationalize the Joint Technical Committee on Trade and institutionalize the Kenya-Mozambique Business Forum so as to address tariff and non-tariff barriers, enhance market access, and foster stronger private sector linkages. Connectivity remains a key enabler of our partnership. The Kenya government is most sincerely grateful to the government of Mozambique for the resumption of direct flights between Nairobi and Maputo in 2024. This has enhanced trade, tourism, and people-to-people exchanges. Even so, there is a need for close collaboration to address the operational challenges currently affecting our air connectivity, including outstanding financial and logistical constraints, in order to ensure sustainable and reliable linkages between our capitals.
I'm pleased to note that since our last session, we have made appreciable progress in several areas of our cooperation. We have witnessed continued high-level engagement between our head of states and the ministers, and we have supported each other candidature within a regional but also international arena. As far as the Defense Cooperation Agreement signed in August 2023 is under implementation, and we are particularly gratified that 5 Mozambican cadets are currently undergoing military training here in Kenya. This people-to-people exchange is very essential for our cooperation. However, we must also be honest in our assessment, as you said, Honorable Ministers, that the implementation is very good, but to acknowledge that while progress has been made, much work remains to be done. We note with satisfaction that the agreement on mutual legal assistance and agreement on transfer of sentenced persons, both signed in August 2023, are in place. We must now expedite the conclusion of extradition agreements by the agreed deadline of 31st August 2026. Just to give you very good news, the 2 teams, they've worked hard yesterday, and we have our Director General there representing, and they have finished. They have agreed that now they just need a date to sign the extradition agreement. So we congratulate them for the work. We recognize that our national enjoy visa-free travel between our countries under the 2018 agreement, yet we must address implementation challenges to the Joint Technical Committee to be established by May 2026. In the economic sphere, we acknowledge the significant potential for enhanced bilateral trade. The decision to launch the first section of the Joint Trade Committee during the FACIN Sao Maputo International Trade Fair that will take place from 31st August to 6 September 2026 is a really very good step forward. We must seize the opportunity, as you said, Honorable Minister, to take advantage of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area to transform our economic relation. It's what the Minister Mohati was saying, that we need to do something to increase our trade trade relations. On the international scenes, Excellency, you have said well that we are seeing disruption and internationally, that we need also to encourage all the country to go by the diplomatic solution. I think there is no other way.
Tukura na imenyera ongorwa gusi bosi bwetaro yo murai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asoro ongorwa gusi gochakira litukura Jumapili aiga asegeka yuera chikwirege kia matuko ange aneiga nigo mubunge bwense muye bunge ya West Mugrango Steve Mugaka asabira bamenyi gwesokia eriko rotota magendero arache kubwatukwa nigo Jumapili arachakire ensemo ye bunge ya Bonchari ase Jumatatu araba ensemo ye bunge ya North Mugrango na boigo ensemo ye bunge ya West Mugrango nigo Mugaka ateberenga West Mugrango nigara chikoigora na kuigora ukubeko westima ya last mile connectivity ama titi school cha KMTC ase county ya Nyamira Comprehensive School chipare chelami amo no kubeka chitaya chiramureke ime ye town ya Nyamira.
Malietane no mwakili Steve Mugaka umujumbe wa constituency ya West Mugrango ntagete kualigania umurai wense mheshimiwa Dr. William Samoei Ruto buchase constituency ya West Mugrango bi chitariki 30 mutinyo yori tukulia Jumatatu chisikinde chichi county mheshimiwa president na atoete chibesa chikubike estima twanyetemire injikete ona murangiritie aiche arole na maisaye astwa ikirie estima yaye egeratomende chibese chikukuri estima y'abantu bari bagesenemo atomende estima tukubika buchialia nyama ya wodu buchimapera tukubeka buchi busamaru tukubeka buchi ukichora chuwoti chose na boliri como president ekerago aijenege kabwisa ine tokolire amangana y'umusunte asa constituency ya West Mugrango egia kabere na boli president nkeringa ndubwati mache etole constituency na ende nonyene town etabwati mache yeta president na confirmetinga asege kabukiaye na buguliti chibese chiwoto anseria kubeka amache yetap yepipe kiromoche ule town ya Nyamira nase asaraunde tie town ya Nyamira goika kibirigo kwenda Kinyambi Malindi kogenda Nyamaya egere na intwe abangina baitu batigwe tweke bibuyigo chiroche na baro barusia mache aliyenyasi ase etape buna abantu bande bale asichinse chigendera tegento kya gatatu nkelinga omu president na ibwebero byaito nga KMTC yaito igeren kebobi togosomia chi constituency ege kogere town ye mumanyite nga ntubwate problem ya street lighting ntumanyite nga ntubwate problem ya matobe ase town ye ejenere ngaki tutagete gotera como president agora na maisa yo ni town ya Nyamira tora matobe ime egera toe chibese chie para ya municipality konyori bagali kumwakira mbiemono na nato ete para ye lami ekuruma gombo ya Jabondeni yagenda Kibirigo yagenda Mutagara ejo etenda ya igurwa rero chitakemongibere na isano nyegenete ngabako lingoli mbarabi babe tamasakara ime ngototomera bale contractor ya mana egere yase egasiyo egere etokorera ni paka ogosoku bolito bwate kuri nyama ya kogendo bwali ipara ya wendete kumwama emyaka 30 ya erete yokwamete bakabona engaki antwancheire gokore extension ye pare iliye gokoro kitutu chache north ekoerera bumbulia ego cha komentwa eiche tuomere ase echiro ya bunyuni ngaki ye nalie budget yo moelio ego chiko ansa korosi wa yeto cha wakira ekura bunge June onye ngaki nere tuwerete ko sokiri to yeito ngaki yimbona
Asense mwende tugotigara ase horogongo rwa gusia borokyo be University ya Maseno abo igo bakorwa asensemo ye bunge yabo basi niko baruro kubore gukia somo bunge bwenseme Innocent obiri kuba watukira chibasari eriyo chinyare chiko bakonya asensemo ya masomo abo ase University ya Maseno aborki wabo asenkwana yabo nigo bairere buna konye omo bunge Innocent obiri tari guchiko ikirani okugani uko nigo baguchia gotara nabo bakorokubekana goika ase chiobisi chinene asensemo ye bunge yabo basi sensemo ya Nyamache inse yechinsa emerongo ebere na inse yechinsa emerongo ebere na 5 na ebere na ibere korwa bono abwo ase baruko bori anyaraga ko gwikirania ukugania ukukwabo nabo igaba bwatukire chibasari echugo cha se University ya Maseno.
If not so, Nyamache must do so. We will storm Nyamache and Obiri must give out the bursary. Yes. Students are struggling. Let us on Monday at Nyamache. We are coming for bursary. If not so, Obiri, give student bursary.
Abana baminto power aba basi power Zengoro kwa Ivan Nyabuto era alibo basi makiye etora abana ba Maseno bakurwa se constituency yawo basi omokutano twarure nane toywana nirega bana abanafunzi ba Maseno bakurwa se constituency yawo basi banyobiri tariko twe basi ali wiki kwana manatore Jumatatu togende mpaka service yayo abana bamitopa omondo oto chandire tiga acha so kwanja kwaye atwa jipasa ali wiki to chakere amatemo next week.
Comrades fire. Comrades peace. Ndi tukoliala Roma na wanafunzi wa Maseno University kwa constituency yao basi to meranire asengi ntengana ya atoko request mheshimiwa Obiri with a lot of respect and discussing further in due time so that kuja katora matem next week atoko musaba ali visit pasali before next week. Comrades power. Comrades viva. Goto amoborio mheshimiwa Obiri ali visit pasali before next week Tuesday. If not so, kwa kanatori Nyamache CDF offices Viva power.
Sensemu yende mubunge ukiharu ndindi Nyoro nigo aruro kubori gucia serikali kumurekera amafuta y'ikigari na kwene kibuna atari gucia komenta rigori abwo asairere buna asama tukabwango iga serikali nigero beriti gucia komenta rigori lya mafuta nabo igo asatebere serikali etigotwara ebitamiro ebyo bibwate usibye ebitamiro ebyo airere na bibwatikire kisegi kigenderete ase ense ya Iran.
At the current oil prices in Kenya, taxes and levies constitute half of what Kenyans pay at the pump. You can imagine that. When you are spending 170 shillings per liter, half of that goes into taxes and levies. Landing cost is below 50% of what we pay. And it is that taxes and levies that has gotten an increase when the global oil prices were falling. So I want to demand and at the same time request the leadership of this country. You must stop all the meetings, your political meetings that are happening now. Gather and find a solution to the imminent supply chain disruptions in fuel in Kenya and the imminent price disruptions in Kenya. And I want to say this without batting of an eye, that Kenyans are not going to accept any story around Iran if we still have VAT capped at 16% of fuel and if we still have the 7 shillings being collected by government. The remedial measure that the government must do immediately without waiting is that the same way they added the 7 shillings of fuel levy through a gazette notice, now a time has come for them to reciprocate to Kenyans. Kenyans have been paying this additional VAT for the last 3 years. Kenyans have been paying the additional fuel levy. for the last many months when the global oil prices were falling. Now that there is a reversal of that, it is now on the side of government to also reciprocate by cutting VAT from the current 16% to even 0, and also thinking about how to denounce and rescind the 7 shillings fuel levy that was added in the year 2024. That has to happen. And because many times we talk to these guys in government and they think that we are only talking to criticize, I want to tell them that the best advice they have had in this quarter of the year is this one. And the sooner they do it, the better. Because Kenyans will force you to rescind the 7 shillings fuel levy. Kenyans will force you soon to rescind the 8% additional VAT that was introduced. Kenyans cannot shoulder the fuel price disruptions on their own. Our economy can also not afford to shoulder any additional cost. It is now beholden and on the side of government that a time has come for Kenya to lower VAT on fuel products. And a time has also come, which is now, not next month, now, for Kenya to rescind the additional 7 shillings in fuel levy that was instituted when the global oil prices were falling. We've been talking about the issue of securitization, and those in government only had the opportunity to criticize the messenger, not the message. Now, a time has come for you to see the reality with your own eyes. That the 7 shillings that was added in 2024 was illegally again securitized by the government. Now that illegality has to be undone because it is now the global economy, the local economy is in a desperate situation. And a desperate situation always calls for desperate measures. We must act when there is still time on the table. And the action, as I have enumerated, is that we have to do away with the taxes and levies. Because the other alternative that the government has is to institute the subsidy again back that was happening in 2022. So we are waiting to see the same people who criticized vehemently the subsidy. We are waiting to see then what they are going to do. But we are offering them a very clear solution, and we hope they are going to take it. Those in government are also on record in 2022 claiming that the oil industry in Kenya is full of cartels because they were questioning then how fuel is higher in Uganda, is lower. Fuel prices are lower in Uganda than they are in Kenya. A time has come for them now to answer Kenyans the same question they asked. That at this particular time as we talk here today, in all the regional economies, that Kenya has the highest fuel prices. What an oxymoron is that? That Uganda, all their fuel requirements pass through Kenya in our port. That the people in Uganda are paying lesser. They are paying less at the pump than Kenyans are paying at the pump. That even with Iran and the rest, that a person in Tanzania today is paying 20 shillings less per liter of petrol than a Kenyan is paying. That a person in Rwanda is fueling their car at a cheaper price than Kenya. Those are the things that we must confront now. That yes, we need our economy to grow, but we cannot grow our economy through wishes and words of mouth. It must be through action. And one of the action is to lower the input cost. And the higher input there is in terms of production and in terms of consumer products, it is basically energy. And the bigger part of it is fuel. So I want to say this, that fuel prices, and I'm repeating what I said before, were at the peak in the May of 2022 when the oil per barrel almost approached $120 per barrel globally. And around that time, fuel in Kenya at that peak was around 150 1 shillings to petrol, and with that 1 shillings in terms of diesel. And when you input even the subsidy that was given, assuming it's actually not there, oil prices were still marginally cheaper at the pump when the global oil prices were at the peak. And therefore, Kenyans have to know.
Morigeria bwen Soko TV mbia mono Soko chore Soko TV na boyo kubwati murobirio yega gwetero bine mambia ya bono abuno tukwikira mwira senseme ntangani asabono torara simichiruka na nyuma yo simichiruka ningirane astra chwa swa sensemo ye bunge ya bonchari kumurekera kubura ina magendero kurwase enseme yu to bare ne TV ya
Eye Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Kera majenga tara Gaiketa oni ya nyamira na lena shauri sangwe Ngararo moijano Umozu wataya mabwari
Murigereri bwen Soko TV Oyo no moroberio gwokongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au Turabe tukumira na kira litukulie iki Guchakira chinsa 11 chamogoroba wikenseyemo yabo tuko kugwakorire emirimo yawo yerituko kwabokire orosete uikaransitero yawo buyanda chitasike orambulete emirundo kunyagusibero ngoli nari ase screen ne chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Bakalia omoto yakabwatwa Amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
Kurumucho mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira Nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya Abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano Emanya mange na boigo bwatira Soko TV Koigeka chingenjo chiomugusi Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Tomo chako tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumenya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons asengenjo yao eariganie asobo tengari botari no mubwekano
ase miziki yabagaka eri abantu bakonga kongire chinengo chacha kiriko choga choga ya rumba
Momelia kenena poto akeleko yekola mama
naboigo ntukwi babasai aba bakurwa jijenzi emisiki ekogenda bwange bwate chia talaku
Le général Dangote anaweka oye mose kunambi Ricardo Momo oye mama Dangote
Netajane Edwin Nyang'au Edwin mwana mboka nzube ya bololo tumerane kila litukulie Jumamosi kati ya saa 10 wika ensa AM
Eye Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
mwanchomo rigelia bwensoko TV karibu na ida sensemo iyiga ya kabiri chideka ni nyigure chinsa isano chiabono mambia ngakitoko swa sensemo ye bunge ya bunchari mambia bono abu astra chiko sangano kurukuna nere Steven Nyambane na bwego na chiku kumanya asobwagare ensemeria akurungu kwenyeria se ensemo ye bunge ya bunchari eyo bwate chigwodi inye wekera bono iga nto chiko swa ro elitorige na rali agende kokorekana kura sensemo ye gatukwa na iguro yubura ina magendera na mono bweswo bachorbu mwaka bwechile fuibere 25 na kabiri tusanga sobwa mugetera asenchere yo mutandao gwekerero Facebook raboigo asensemeria ya YouTube ensoko TV namba mawasilane mambia bona seri boli liago nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano na mama gatano omwerio beka isato tusange asobwa mugo chakera bona wika omwerio karibu sana Steven na kirebuya okwani omorire mambia bona naboigo burenchire mu yokubeka boroso ase orwete ase oiboire naboigo akatocha kwandira esabari yage mambia bona.
Asante. Litanga ningoteba asante so karibisha se studio kona kobana inu sogo sanga so sa gocha sabantu ba minto abantu baito babonchari ase rieta nchengoro ku oyo korwanerere kero kyo bojumbe bwa bonchari constituency 2027 omusao moke rieta ngaiga Steven Nyambane incheno monchali koru ngiboire ase akoro ku kenyoro kiabo gita ase Riana ward Bonchari constituency. Asante.
Gwatebere na ekerugo koligia na ekerugo kyo bobunga sensemo ya Bonchari na wikiraboni gabarai ao barabere bakugamba na mono nenga kieria ekegani geke guchinga kiria basaye mono akurwa sensemo ye ino mugane tia monchirure ao gokorekana lakini kerugo lira basaye abange mbari guchibaika omwero niyo bagochake sabari biya baikanchera abande bakuwa moyo abande mbari bagocha bagurwa abande baenana okoboko guchiase omuntu omongao ase umuchakano ase obwango nigo rachake sabari yeiga toiko mwerio gose nigo rachogurwa singe basaye nigo bakare kugurwa sana
ase njenda tevenga esabari ebunanye chagiteiga nande tingo tigamba kengori ani minute bono pake ballot ballot nere gocha bonkoni family korwa butonde break kera chikura chi akiru kingueta abantu bamito bakore birengeria ne mbisa ine bagonchora in parliament bakoranga yaya tigabanganya banya kompima iga na otoko banya bado after 2027 to maya gocha kora gochimotunga kitoko
lakini no mayetuno mochando monene keroyo masobo kimubuiga no kwerigeria na rero igura arachirwa ne kerengo gitekie besa eni bigwere torore tonyerete iguru china ribagali okonya gwechanda na bwo gutwara birengererie binge ne mirobiri menge munya gusari chinsa cyane kwenda kuburie keroge keiga muntu acha gotebina ase nyombe eri okorwa gosekuru ase ward eri aona abantu bari bawo bari followers babere bawo kubwatia ayengere chikuri chigocha nigongo kwanonya 10 million nunya ukane besa engabune iyo na mono kero tuko kwanira na ayeno musa enenga kiyiga ukanitie nibo ukanitie mtu bya bwango gukora kanda guchimwino gabwo naye ubugima bwago botwara oburabo
ntaete ngotebiga Ismail oborai talinga nechibesa. It's about passion and the vision you have towards your people. Inche boni gangise gocheru naranya igura yubuna gwantebi you know the first person you want yo naranya igure ngakientambe na tebi igura kini tindeti gotebanga abantu bande bangicheire ba rule offer yechibesa kete lakini tete ngotebinga this is the passion I have for the leadership that's driving me towards my ambition. Bono nande ni ntagete kabisa genteke like again tontagete no borai so that inga chivu bintu binite te okora abantu baito besate yera nyale kongora nje bunandeiga because my conscience cannot be bought.
Esabari yago yoborai asenge nchekero mona bwatu boroso se na bwate asuburai buchakirete burai tarigentura bokerere gotebe nambona ntakete kubuli burai nigonga nitiko koreke neke ebintu mbiri bitatu wara kolire na gwikirania asokuru antu bwate ward yabo mari babugia kumubokeira bomurenda liana ase ensemo yebunge ya Bonchari. Esabari yago yoborai asobwenge ngaye chakirete utarache gwikira bono iga na bwo utarache gutwara omunguso na bono tiangende kubulikero gikiga kyubo bunga sensemo ya Bonchari.
Litagani kabisa ndagotebinga obora imbole imeane nande asichigodie chiwa kwana Bonchari tobwachi wodinye chire Bonchari yani bogia kumu togo cha bomwariba togo cha Riana togo cha bomorenda inche bunandeiga ingotebanga no obora imbole imeano koba na kinire kobeku chi viwango gete byo kora abande at my position as miaka yane bunande igabono na bere kingo some sukuru gocha mpaka university bono obora ibwa chakirite kinde sukuru na renge prefect all along kobukoru gochakera primary from bono bunanda te kuru class 1 mpaka class 8 na chitenka be head boy koruororo kuru class 8 na korete na gasomire preschool academy ngachanga ruororo ngagenda Bogita secondary school ngabe prefect ngaika paka form 4 kera na korete koruororo ngenda Maseno University first year na renge delegate ngachorune delegate koru second year ngatema kubolia bo sekjai lakini nkagu tinyoredi kera na ngo mwako gatatu na boleti lakini ande baganchora ngabe secretary general ono kurabu na kolete nande in between obo chori mbole twale gokora bwa banafunzi be constituency ina boleti ororo na participate tumete yenge so competitive na baya lenge buno bojumbe ono na participate ya lenge the year 2021 2022 ntwalenge a union ekorokuboncari University Students Association busa bone bwate azu kwa accommodate abanafunzi bonsi ipi bali chi higher institution chia korwe constituency yenge bono goikera buno na participate ngabol na ndebuna secretary general and a coalition gete twabwate yakarukiru the Action Alliance bona se Action Alliance yabare tutachore tu etwarenge babere tuarenge ase coalition ye yaito bona bakini abande mbaetete bono gente kinge chietike ngitomo na ni nagwe na bete namba ibe nagwe tuneci kura saba lakini nge chietike ngitomo bono nyuma ntarachi kobe secretary general Maseno University bono kuro bono no na ruete ngamanya guchiko koboli bono Maseno University ngachoro bono ngagete yangete a good experience kere na lenge koboli a constituency yane na ande ko move around ekanga good experience so that una na lenge gotara ina manyete kera kona ya constituency yaito diri tuarenge gotara toko boli bono kurwa bunga gerete nona achitenganya ko bora ibono buno aumete na bakonya kuumera na nabantu konya kumanyana nabantu konya kumanya ngai bono buna na kolete sukuru ngamanya bono gotwara interest yogo cha koboli ebo jumbo bono koboli boni
asense mo elia yabasae murubiri no bachakire boniga onyore sabari nigo yachagite umwaka 2023 umwaka 2024 25 nabona nigo turu umwaka bw'echili fubere 2025 narimo na wikira boniga asitwekire boniga murubiri no rochakire umuywa basaya bagotebana tuko kadi asama tukamakega nigo yarego kuigwekana na gotebana n'abasaya mbale sokya babwate chikura bwosibwa bochori bwa 2027 lakini nigo yegetiga gatege nande egachenchia sobwango sana bona basaya bachakire batebire na nigo murachi moso ibinyoro ime kwane kina kiro musaye bwerikirie ryo abwate kurachi gwaka ekura asengi nchumugane tikoreta mu nchiro au ase oburai lakini ntubwate abangeno baitalia emyaka yabo yaraengeire abutokoro kana batata na bamama na abandi ne kisokoro cheito asensemo yabo tubegene tia mangana yoburai bwabasaye na inde akero kolirio mu barobo togoche kubaigiro na mbabwati kura pakalire abasaya bagendere tugasokia asobonge na kiugoche kumanuva na gweta itagatiga na kwenye kina nembarabwo goika ubabwate gusimu bwatira na barabwa gwakire kura sengenche barakero wikase baro koiguna ubura ibwa basaye antu bwegeneti nigotora byanga kero mugaka oyo konga kongire bagotana chinengo chiara konga kongire igonero manyete kokora ebintu igubona sense muyende bageneti uburai bwa basaye
ono ineli boli ligia ntete gokoira ne liga nga abaiboli abo kwanera buna abaiboli baito bono asenche buna na etire bonchari kerengu etako campaign go sabe kura na kuomera omoiboli ogonte bingata mineti sobora ibo basaine genteke ni wante biri personally bunanje inche na twalire experience yoko interact na bantu baito ebinyoro imenande interior tali bali bechi town inche tigo ngotara interior so that no merana na bantu na ikaransanse na iwe kerengere likiabo bone gente ketangani omonto otamine ti oburai bw'omosaye tamine ti about the future egento ndakwanere nkeringa buna tole igango kina tole ngogota tole bono egento tole ngeti gochimotwanga ki future yaite gochigo change nando ise kuligereri na no borai obobwa basaye bono basaye bare bunge buna togo kuana iga eba ko lead from number 1 best performing MP in the whole country mpaka namba isano au bande bamanya kobwa ati bono ekige ko toro kiga oburai bwa basaye ntore more focused on development na magendero because ntotagete kuachiwe bintu gete toche totige legacy sabana bagocha goturumaiga weyitoko taiya baibuli baito ase barekera ase moto support moto bwati sio koboko okobantu abasaye buna toreiga ntobwate kerengeri kyo gwonchoreri tonya gusuka mambi na mambi ende bintu buna kale bia renge mbiri boniga konya gusuka tore motu tobwata advance togwa advance tore ono bato support irinde tore tobwonchoreri ne bintu binde binge nande about inga igoro yo mbambi ne tubura ibwa basaya babake inda kuanere nga abasaye buna toreiga abaibuli baito bago to support wasaya babono bande bonsi piba baba bare miaka remene nake bora imboli koligereri miaka bora imboli koligereri miaka ebo koligereri inkerengereri kyo monto nkerekia bwate ko chisaba anto bae buna inche bono gukwana inche kerengereri kiane bwate ko chisaba anto bane ne kyo kubakonya korusio bosoku gali sikonya bole samagendera ali atali gokoru ndeta magendera rororo elinde tobwatani na into tobwaterane bonchari emesa
Sara chago kwanere iguro labro murobere bwate gochiase ensemo ye bunge ya bonchari numanye tena na kichi campaign chiro very expensive omwaka 2022 na se myaka ya magega se twarule kwa rule na chi campaign okuigwa na asensemo yende na buno mo bunge irikonyorekero gekyo uchakuru mu chakano pako mwerio ebe na kwairire ebe toraira lakini ebe sanguchire yo muru sana abange ngakinde kwaigure na nkogendera up to 50 million abande kwaigure mbali bagotumeka up to 100 million erikonyorekero gekyo na ekige kwirira chi campaign chiabe expensive mona and bona astro chi aso mwako 2027 asinge nchobono burusi bwikire kubekwa astro chi na bwera nyari kare chi campaign chikoba more expensive wetani ali ase twarure asense moyago na ki uroberetie guchia gufandi chi campaign chiago nigo trakire gatonya ari paybill ge kominyoka mwino gali na ha linde na abantu bagosire ari komanyete na ari gokubeke til go se paybill number na aba Kenya bacha ko guchangira twarure bari baguchangirwa kwa reba wikasigete kweguna uyo utolire chibese cheito oya ne nkondi oyo ne merobiri ya bwate go utolire chibesa ntogo cheko gendera amonere
ineli boliri ya ono egento kera kinda gotaigo sente bina abantu baminto bali bandigeretia banchali baito bonsipi egento nda bairane linke linga una nagote iri tangani obora imboli besa oborai ne kerengererio leadership is not about money, it's about passion nande abantu nabo bagocora ne bakerota bwati lakini baroche nga kerengererio bwati gose kerengo bwate ne kyo konyo mwana inji lakini akitomise ti sai bono borai to bwate obotoko igutokora mekanga ebintu byatirira magori ebintu bya bapandishira magori ebintu gete bono etokorera because ye the power of handouts chibesa chiritia gatumekiro ko chi campaign ndete ngote binga chibesa sai bono totebe monto ngotumekare ko campaign agotumeka 100 million ko campaign totebe bono bojumbe amonto ukagoso bisi chibese chiko ikaira ni chibese chitachoreti gente ketangani na kinte tanto ba minto bambwate na nderero montegerebuye omonto yichibese chitachoreti nande buna tolega buna toko buna tolega kero mondo bunolega nkorigiore besa talibo no taete ko university ase binto gete bona bantu bajire sai babwate chibesa batete ko university ase chi campaign gose chikura na manye tenga kingotumeka 200 million kingoso agali ngwenda nde nyore more than a billion nko ibale mutigale mokorera ngobwonchore riboritu akobege toche oleta magenderero taiyo kumbe ne chibese chirichia yako ira ni chiria inge gotumeka bono egenteke ente tantu baminto bakerigereri buyo koba tindate banga monto ta rigereri ngori obwate chibesa nga bono bamuange lakini abantu abo bonsi tali bantu bale genuine because ebesa na bego sukumo monto abo ori okoba na mete ka gosororo ngo ibale chinyinge koruoro nande tigaba kero monte kura kulingana na kerengereria bwate kyo gokonya abantu babo gosama genderero ale aguchikoreta bunande iga nara umeire n'abantu nara kwanire na barabu abantu mbale bakweru goteba ng'ana kiaya rosaba abantu baino bonchari engima buna inche bono bonchari bakweru bagotea egento ora akore tenena igo buna ore igo pake ballot bono intu ayene project yaito inche ne project ya banchari bono asera ikirenga ngomfandi bale nao bagomfandi chetibwati besa jinge chibune chibagotea ng'elfu milioni 100 gochiabu
urabo kalende usumunchari abo kirimanya ore naye wachinchiri kurwa kobe project yabanchari kiujumla nabona ni gore project y'umuntu gete asingincha abantu bane bari bago chabatene ni wasingincho bagani tigusari chikura kurwase ensemo gete etoka ne bono una mambi bogokia aya ni gore project y'umuntu gete na oyore project ya ikirenga nkeroro lekenene bako gusuguma nabo igo bagani twikirani
ndaete ngotebi ng'a burai mbwanya kuguru umuntu agotema kobe project y'omuntu onde ayo wakoni oburai akegwa ki oburai
lakini kware ka kwarekana mpaka nonye no igwete sikanyone n'abandi bakoriye keru ki oburai bwense kweguna one project ya muntu gete
bono inche personally tinkonyara kuguru na muntu beyane muntu te oranyare konyenyara yokongora elinde mutenenere gose ang'akane ingelinde mokorore buna atagete yaya okobo burai omete kwarorire bali abantu abange nara ngo discover nde gose ngo koranda analysis yane abantu bali batemire gotenera omuntu gete gose kogoru finally omuntu oyu tako chorwa nde piko bo murai andonzi okoba aonetie kegwa kio burai
okay
ono inche personality ngotema koni kegwa kiane kio burai
okay
inche ntageta abantu banchore mbo murai yobo dakitari gotenera omuntu onde gete ngabono mutenenere asegete ngabono ang'akane
asomura yuri orobisi gwikira nigo mubunge bwensemo ya bunchera kurukona nyere Charles Onchuke ase scale ya 1 to 10 asobo koreri bwaye nabo igo kwenekia oburai bwaye asensemo ya bunchari scale ya 1 to 10 irengoramwe
ase akena gokwanira kena people nchari sai tubwate shida ya magenderero magenderero narense sana bono abana inchi baito boka mbaroche buna bakorera baregari bagote aya ntotaito bwonchoreri bintu gete ya mang'ana gete bono nkagerete ng'a abantu boka nkoru mbaroche ase shidere
lakini bono korengana naye bwikayo monyena singicha bono ne competitor erobisi naere nkukeligiare naye ngukeligiore korengana naye scale ya 1 to 10 ile ngoramwe
ase scale ya 1 to 10 yani ndamureti very maybe fair yani koganikoba maybe fair ndamureti ebe fair maybe 4
igona lio temete
na lia temete na lia ra temete agikira
asensemo yechipara asensemo ya bonchari twate chipara tukutayaba na feeder roads echipara chigo genderia no gende bogia kumu ogende kirase kogenda echine nchiri chia chagete ko upgraded erinde chichenchi nkoigure na omugusia gotebana ndigo ntagete para ya ne muame echenchi korwa kobe ya maraba gusomorom emuame be muamu na ebe tamakda negati chipara chine nchiro kora nyone crech project guse nebana ne yiga yelami gose eriga ne ko upgraded yabe ke wange kia echine chiko chia chaka chiatigerunchira nchire chiri chierete na ichine chire chia chagetu chikaerera nchire birakite chie birakita sando konya birakita birekira gite pakka rero no kere wikira rero iga nkianya kurusigwa aro asensemo yo koligeria mang'ana yechipara mono mona asensemo ya bonchari nabo igo no chimanyete gwetana rira makuri yako kogenda nchirora kwanira ya muibere isacho murubiri ogo no rulioya
egente kitangani unaona ase agenda cyane kiringo tebya abantu nkora batebinde ng'a chipara ni buna bakonchora kingo service chipara nkoro sinde chire national project chipara chire national and chire county assembly bono chiri nene chie national buna asena atarete go chinyangiti bo muanja kuruitibo bo muanja yuere bogia kumu ward para nchiyo ugo chakira itibo muanja mpaka nyangiti pale yu yale metu paka bono yanya korosiku bono personally na tebete nga inche bunango service project entanga ningora chaka no go complete pale yu kwanza era ere betamarked chiri chinde chose bichire national project ya chira ase docket yani we karasima chibe kwela myo koba ntole privilege ya soyo yo lengoro the late honorable Sebedeo Pore na to bekirete chirami chiabete commission chirami chikarosigu we bonchari gweta ali sichigete korosi bono kurweli nande twanya konyorondo korosi rami
Murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto chakara litukira Jumapili no wakari gusi na chabe nseme ya North Mugrango West Mugrango na akari nyonene ase chinse mochi abo nchari ase ground kiri kwa ramnyokire hapa na pale ngayarache achakire osebi robiria magendero iyo murai wense aga nirigucha kuigura ase nsemo ya bonchari
Bonchari asoka na roche William Ruto abeta interested sasa achita agatarororo ere sunika airstrip sunika airstrip ya okemina nonki alengororo ngakanga banye change babeke housing project ororo nande kanga banye change yani bose bado banyerosi banye improve ebe a modern airstrip bono bado bachite bakaiguanana bakateba tikaba beke tigareko be strip bona senkagire tarache ko bana aliete chira ngana kanga ngonyerosiale buna kanga atagete ose buna kanga bwene takoba the modern air strip ga suneka bono ngagirete ngakarache na bako gendororo irindanye ligereri arosi buna aruete chira chiri so that yetige ko buna campaigning tool ya kero monto liria chiro monto le yudi omanya gocho tebanga wono iga kwendeje na kwanete ne president yani chi propaganda tuchi nyinge no manyete meta anto bono mete kare gento gesarigete after every season ye campaign season eba gocho je tumeka buna campaigning tool
yebon
elinde bono nya kolichira anto atati galenda to gwakere bono chorosi konyora nande bado the same problem na ere yumonta gocho lichira chio bolimo ruo sokoge ogenda
Akere bintu biko korekana ntubwate ntu kuna public participation yani no gocha sa yoboria umwana nchi gosomo akie kuna na kioro chigero yegentekeiga public participation ya korekanete eli umwana nchi akorekanengerikia na kie etu anchira ni tikeke korekane gosikoya ni chinyomba gosene ya strip gosene kene kigani ri korekana singi chono na baraya bange agwa asibwigo naye urachikweranira baraya bange asega tie bintu biria no nyene kerekeria bange bacholiru basoira obisi no nyene kere kwaringa kurase oburai nyone buri buru asensemerie campus nigo mogo kore ebinto korengana nekerengere kiago nuko gani kwago lakini mwikura naso mwana inchi mumanyena umwana inchi kugani kwae nkoro kioko na ine nikiaga neti anyare kago kolerwa ekero kuburukanye ngane iyo yasuneka yabonchali nabo yikurase ensemo yago nabarai mogo epa public participation mwakore ebinto korengana nebirengera bibiri
entege tengo tebi Ishmael personally as a young leader ninga nchete geto ikoro ku public participation lakini as a country ntobwate shida ya public participation is very poor in fact mbali ko inkirudi abantu I say most in public participation decision making mbali ko include bantu pi bono mbakole public participation igali bonjali mbachi tipatorangeli ntubuna abantu toba oboroli bwitungana kintoka netimo bekeke neke gose morusieke gose motigalieke eyarenge obuamuzi yabo barabwa banyene buna bangete bakagenda bagatubangira bono nabo bono tokanyete igo bono
wikira boni ga bado
lakini rende nabo tonyeroche ne gasite korosi gu yani ne naberororo bono etoganyete gasite korosi yani echake korosi
na ase ensemiri chibesa usubo tumiki we chibesa cha NGCDF wa kiganche kyo wikira boni ga kerogo kerigeria at least mo bunge nkonyora bara up to 100 million plus abande baroka up to around 160 plus na asensemo ya boncharia wikira boni ga ntubwate asanali chibese chigachiganira gutumekwa na kerukulira babunga bange bagu chibachitumeka mono especially asensemo ya masomo kwene kina nyonye birasi nkwaga chubire biria school ile kerukuligeria magacha yokorana akoroire abandi batemu guchinche mabati birasi binde binyebya gachwa aso bokora liwe chibesa nabo igonyo na sesemeria ye chibasa rigoche na bona omugano no twagwa ataiga kurwa sensemo ya bobasi abwa saborokyo be university ya bobasi bagote baba kurwase university ya Maseno lakini bakura sesemo yabo basi niko bayire omo bunge wensemo yabo ncharia 72 hours abo watukere chibese chibasari uchese university chibakonya twira nibora sensemo ya bonchari asobokoreri na bugyo kwenekina chibesa cha NGCDF butumiki bwaye n'ubuya bure how far wikaraboni igana kimiro biregenderete nyone na sensemo yago na kirobeti gocha guchitumeka wikirani obokoreri
aseboniga ntobwate shida ya disbursement che chibesa che NGCDF bonchari constituency okoba National Assembly eko release use ku allocate 180 million to 220 million per constituency. Eko changa constituency eko kuchibesa chire chinyinge kulingana no bonene bwaye. Ase constituency ito ya bonchari na nkere teri nene mono. Nkwe gutole 189 million
kero mwaka.
Gocha se NGCDF. Bono it's so disappointing ngingo konyora chibesa chia chiko dispersed gose chiko tumeka okonyora mostly chiko tumeka gocha se chibasari chichinde actually ito content to kombolingo tebinki okonyora chiko kolera chisire chiko sira bono mostly egento naro liro okonyora bago chibakore bakwena na chibasali lakini bakwena na very little penny gochi saba nafunzi bonsi ipigo bali chia institution na bali chi
secondary lenga kero morakia wakonyora
bono wekera boni wakonyora bako ba 3000 alafu wekera CST university boni gabuna bale baetu mba nasu kiake tumeti okoba yobu bogo chiko sibono okoba sai bono tumete tole na campaign muri go 2027 mba su kichiga ikelivu 8500 bono abale sai baenda netuko chi university na kwante na banafunzi bale chi university nkora batalerande bante betinga ba 12800 lakini aba echinyinge chiabo ntira reflect poto bono mbabwate shida ko bambale bachakira matemu bale bawo chiko chaka matemu yogo kora chi semester bono sai tote bono mwanafunzi naro oli 4th year ogo kora second semester ko ole sukuru chibese chitaraka na school fees bobo litabwati arafu chibese chiatumiru chiroro akichira different inteyo ogo chikogenda student finance bago tainga besa teyo trato mugoche suku bono gwa kumi at least yarana besa ogeta kabisa moira marieta so ogeta moira chibesa
lakini chibesa nchira
lakini besa nchiyo sukuru bono kwanyora ine shida rose challenge ya wanafunzi abange kwanyora mwanafunzi omisiri ya matemo eyalenge ko ba avoidable because a system yabo ere so illegitimate a system ye constituency eto bago to make no me as a candidate oyogo chikorwanere kero geke nindengetenga kingo service ngocha ko build a legitimate system yo ko allocate chibasari ochisaba nafunzi eyuerenga onyo mwanafunzi kare sukuru apply ile basari you don't need to do paperwork again tobuna paperwork etoko rusioro yani elinga okoende cyber kwa print eri sakarali buna ligo soka ikalende muato meru monto rusi korwe cyber ndo rusi omonto rusiri sakarali na shilingi 30 30 bob alafu ogendo obeke ruchisigine cha gose skuru yo mwana wonchokana na osaineli kuo koraki insajindo mwanafunzi olero sema seno university asena somete gwatomerwe simime kwaruo kwonchokana na student finance bagwakera chi stamp gweta kaogo chabone lirubeli ligo tomugoche skuru you have spent almost 1000 lirubeli liri to mumbaka lichenga arafu mwanafunzi amayegoche elimanyego tomugoche CDF
oserinde yabeterina buno mworoki wabona nayo gocha
bono ku yabetere lirinda abande bacha bono balibuna bale Kisi University gari yange nabokonyora abande bachire rosi balibuna ibegento nagakolire njeriri nange torochi nango morayo bo maseno one nakabarange iri bonsi pi bali constituency ya nabonchali na chibeka amo nabatebinga chibasa licheno chionsi ipi twagenda basa ine liguchiko kora namanya gochibeke gari chiachagu nachitoma mpaka CDF chiabaike lakini bono ngororo roko bakolera igokerengaki
yebo
because eyuele challenge kwanyora omwanafunzi oiru 7,000 basari bono kero mwanafunzi oiru 7,000 otumekire elibu ko fuatilie basari yei at the end of the day are less 6,000 yani 1,000 bono igozi elibu 6 na chiaire bono elibu 6 echo mwiboli sajinde ne chikonda akokora omwiboli sajinde ne ekiomba imogetia kumwaka ne school fees osabande mbali bakore biasara biri byo kuchandika elino mwana asome gosaonetie nini nivo yae bono kwanyora ne challenge je personally ngentongo chikokora ebinto bune ingo chikorusi ororo konya gu exhaust ya dini abantu baito gose abanafunzi baito ngochi kubirusi so that indosi a website gose a portal yo mwanafunzi ako log in as a student or a verified ako log in or apply bursary chiamanya gosoka na anda malietacha chienda gochisi school yabo direct ya gose portal ya kwa confirm NCCDF onchari constituency ya gotomeire chibesa gichinganiga na ndengo chigocisuki bono likalie elibu 8 inchisuki chike paka 12,000 because there is enough money chibesa ne chinyinge constituency
asenale kwa rore cheki wigo
asenale naro lile chikwenda numbaka 15,000
okay
bono onye chigwo ikeri gugo kulingana ne chibesa chiri chiko to mugoche constituency una nje nata abegento na kwaniranga na bongo chisuki chike paka 12,000 no koba chibesa chiri toko to meru echire 189 million sometimes chiko range to 180 to 89 bono 180 million otumeke 60 million kwaloke chibasari kochise constituency ngi makero mondo otari komis umwana vusi bwensi pianyora there is enough money yoko kore gento buneki arafu ichinde chiko tigara chiagenda chinyagitari chiagenda chipara chiagenda na binto binde gweta eche constituency na healthy weta
gweta na korengana na priority agenda nigera chikoba chisema
amasomo
okay Yamana mwanchomo rigere kitwenda tegusanga so bwa memambia jabona sabona nigo tukorasyo mirichido kasinini na kurabwo ntwira neto endera kwanira ayande amange tuchiko so asense media yogo kwanira yogo chenu nyuma yo muchimo komo
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga Hazina Towers egoroba ya 5 narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'omuguse. Onye kubwatari iboryo obosemia gusekero kende gyonsigoro y'emirobiri yaitu y'Ensoko TV twakere simi ase namba 0788666663 gose tulikiriri uko email ensokotv.ke@gmail.com boigo nabugo tutarira service itego tukasamaga Hazina Towers egoroba ya 5 narimo asumucyo munene Nairobi. Ensoko TV oboroso w'omuguse. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently, we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 07 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Eje Nensoko TV. Uboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu nende mwanchumo rigereria asensemo eyega yende ya gatatu yo guchiko kolera mambia bona asenkwana yaito Steven anigo twatigera ase konya twakorana mangana yechisemi engana neregana ababunga abangi gusabara ya abangi kero baso bachorirwe guchakira nyone ase chi county cheito aba MCA mbarekero bayikira ase bungerie county bagocha bakira aya nigo koliye kero kyo bunge kura asensemo ye bunge ya Bonchari na asensemo yenda bara ya abangi nigo moko bonwa nekero moikira ase bunge nene gukwana buna bono ase list eri asoka nigikworkina ababunga abange kura sorongorwa gusi nabakesana baigwekanire bagukwana ebana nase bunge ya Senate ebana nase ebunge nene igo nigo ekerukulie numbers kirimo akwanire mara iri wakwande konyero umuntu akwati mara gatatu mara gatano na rimo yani yona liyo umuntu atemete koma kanyero na anda ababunge mbara abande umuntu akwanite paka chete mara 400 komenya kobori na cyumuntu akwana mara 400 komanya konyoro yonde ni gakwanite mara kabiri gose mara gatatu lyoka na abwo korengana naye emiswada nere eri yakero kolire rase bunge nene rochide kaliri kokorerwa maunchoreri gusu muswada nore korengana naye uganiri gocha no muswada yo iga ekero yo ikiase bunge eri nene na ndonyore ababunge bagosire omochie oetigwe na ndonyare gogweta nabora konya abantu babonchari nabo yakero etire naro no manyetena tari bonchari yoka igo no muswada nabo yakero bereri chiko nense yonsi ogokonya
Ineri boligia as a umete leadership, it's about being vocal. We go monto gokuana. Toka monto reli mama. Bono igo icheba ntoba bonchari kimoranchole. Kingosoa parliament. We come back ingokuana na ndetali gokuana bosa. We come back ingoleta emiswada eliyo gokonya abantu baito babonchari. Buna bono ojole tobuate oyoro bisi iga guchio okuana kimoyo moyo liga gukuana liga parliament so that yate bo bills echire chigo cha gokonya inchenko ranga guchio okuana kimoyo moyo eyuerenga it contributes nothing at the debate in parliament because again tegetangani inchenko chikoligereri kerengo chikoba gosoa parliament ngente tangani ngochi kokora no go table a bill ya agricultural products bill ejere go chiko umete buna bonchali into ntete nkwanere bintu bitato about agriculture bire so sensitive gokonya abalemi baito babonchali ngente tangani ngo produce tore mesi bonchali ase chi ward sato majority eyuereria nabo malibana bomorenda the largest part ya yechiseme chinago tebiri chinsemo chinene sana ibakole memesi
miororo
miororo yokori bono igento bunekyo alafu toche chifukado chi avocado those are the major fruits chiriokonyora avocado is a major fruit alafu nemesi sugarcane ebintu bune nebisukali ngo buna gali abantu bali bagweta okora bakwenda migoli no bagweta no bako eno ligugali no konyora bona at least etoko to buna inchamo nyene ngento ngo chikokora no koligie market yebintu ebyo so that ekonyo molemi oli olegali okoleme mesiro se chifukado elinde to imokereri na eraro chibesa chisaine because ayo bonereri mborora chibesa chifukado konyora chikonigo umuntu bagocha batumosiria baikoyo konyora no baichire ebinyoro ime
eba
basangororire chivukado korwemete
babekire chitraki baletire
babekire chitraki baletire Nairobi iga bono ga iga avocado ekoni gura kaine gold lakini gali asekorosigu ekoni the most cheapest because intobwati sheria ekorwanero moremi olibu avocado so that yaoni the reasonable price ejereyo komokonya gosekonya na ere familia bono ina byo bintu ngo chikorigereri sana asense moyo boremi bwe avocado no boremi bwe mesi ebina bi the most sensitive things ngo chikorigereri asense
gemeretina nonyero muswado oli ogochia koreta usoraga niyo kolirwa monchirorio nigo ogochi gosako gutara around asamangana abwatikene no boremi asamangana abwatikene no boremi alafu umete nini bichibando chira chongo ngole matole chinyinge na kerase bono ngairite bintu mostly na ngochi buna kuana igore yemesi ne chikwenda chivukado so that umete buno morai no gotara na koligi goso yemeri kabisa koligeria abantu korwanira abantu baine gente getangani na lengera tingana ki buna ngoso a obisi gente getangani ngochi gokora no yoko indigi chi financials elinde toche toro sino ene company yoko process avocado gali bonchari gosene mesi gali bonchari chiro no ene chi juice na whatever so that yamondo more mi obonchari ago benefit directly bono ndoli gotwara chi bono ndoli gotwara abantu abugatigati bogo kore kwenda bono so that mo remikera rusiri mugonda akonyarete kampuni wakanu chibese cha price eri ngo chakolete rupaka Nairobi oyo bono oyo intermediary oyo go bargain gatigati iga onyolire bese profit ya bono profit ite chitigara abantu baito babonjari erinde baimokere na bautosuke moto togendera asense moyende ase serikali erobisi boni ganonye na ase sinse mochiria nonye bari baterete serikali bara asense mo opposition na kiroyo mukwegwa enganenene nuko enganenene nukurwania amangana yo kuboro kwemirimo imense na abunu abasaya bango goche kwenyorana no bagocha benyora kwa makonyore aire goche abakuru asabra ine na keronda irubura yuboiga ninchikwene kina nanyorere abasaya emirimo nabo yego na sense mwende kero koligereria mirime yo nere gukwanero nabaraye kero kuyeligereria korana asitayo basaya baiga bonsi pibarache babekwe nonye na sense moye bunge ya bonchari naro amangana yo kuboro kwemirimo gusaba saya bange na bakoreti skuru lakini babwati mirimo mbali bakorete bakorengana chikosire bakorete ebene HTVET ebene University College abange tibabwati mirimo nabo igo ntubwata basubati ntubwata bero manyete no barema abayiga bonsi bye bikundi ebyonsi asengencho weka ochonyore kura yabo ase ballot naki obarobereti
ntete nchakere ensembo yabasaya umete tali bantu bonsi basomete tali basaya bonsi bakorete chisukuru mbale batigete sukuru okoba yobolemeru mbale bakorete form 4 basomete bagakora bagaika form 4 bagatigera agabwo okoba ye familia korute konyara ko advance masomo arafu mbale bakorete university bale literate the professionals nabwo bakonyara bale chi street mostly bakwagyo about the government ya failure go deliver bito bato promised mostly ebego egwakomorate in one bracket yabasaya bono personally am a victim yoko kore university na koborwe gazi akobo konyora lirio korete sukuru korete university obwate so much hopes yoko nyore gazi kere kwa korire sukuru kwa manya gocha isiko ga kwa manya ko so much disappointed yoko bano na bara ibali bara available ko reach out nega asi otagete no ene rio so merete to ko there are limited opportunities bono kwa manya konyore gento kira kiare ready go kuofa ne maybe atete agento most riba uchi ba kwana no eri riba go campaign buna bono ngo bandi ba kwana ende to beto aba sae chigasi tate to kwana rangasi kiako ba baba gorere chikawosh babeke chikawosh bonchali ngi mochi kokolera abantu chikawosh babekere chikawosh abande roje nchisana egento na chetenje ngarasa as an individual a vision imbwate ko chisoko konya abasaba saye baito babonchali kero monto olioganiti kogenderere sukuru ngomo fund fully aenda ira ne sukuru whether nke MTC agende ke MTC akoli whether ne polytechnic agenda akoli olio kolire osomerete na welding inki utakuba fund nenda abantu ikomiga baigora asigete obabeka oro bachake gokora welding yabo inki abambale bakorete basomera tobonyagitari amarube naraguchia soka ikomi sekere neni chi vacancy chire chigo chiko chia soka ikomi sekera kosi eri omonto akorete tobonyagitari ngosoka ari ikomi sekere constituent abasigari nkori kubare mabaga ikomi komanya konyora barai barorore bakoni rika bakurigino no mwana oriole oruete family obotakaime bende bamwebosa service to the people you do service you deliver what you promise to your people and obalika abantu abo baligeria mabaga yo bae fully lika lioko kora business mete togo chenchi egento bwe bwento gukora abantu ochaye kubobeka bude biasara inje personally buna Steven Nyambane egento ngochi gukora neyo ku make sure amabaga alikera asokire abantu bali banyole ntali gochi kobaoneri
okay
amangana yeri yakinga bono goiko monto endoni obole marweto botakaime bole mogosanga na usia malema elire bagabare banga chinchera omonto gakonia ukae osinyuko irani yes kwanyolire gazi kosa bande baliana ni kubaboru baba frustrated benda bachaka konyu baba baswa depression bono bintu bunebi it's because of our leaders are not accountable mbali accountable pise echi roles chiritu abacholeta bakora injenge tongo chikuhakikisha nkelinga abana abu abonsi ipi kero monta nyole gasi ere free and fair
okay asarongo rwagusi ase engakinga bune yega na tutarekanya na asarongo rwagusi abasa essence moyendo essence moyaino kiama kerekyo moli more tribeless nigo more partyless nigo more keregento less kuchimoino agusi ba mwire ne suti around yega na inu mwatebere more tribeless more partyless more keregento less kuchimoino na gusibona ne suti ba mwire ne around ne suti aigalende na kimogocha kumanuva gosebu na ena kigocha kumanuva katia pakoche gotobo yake kirikirigeti gukunda intole full of ambitions ngeta uno ndo tole full ogaba tole full of we are so ambitious so korange bintu byarongi anire nakoba sibwenereta koba bono intumete abasa enkeri okoligerelinga ekiama nkere kikerige ko align with your policies gose vision yeri obwata ebirengere biri obwata byo gokora omwana inchi inchama kiebwata yo eko support ibirengere liebi ekina kigento personally buna njengo chikoligere limanyako ko support ko swase kiame ki doesn't matter kiama ki goseki ngo kwanere go yo gwake suti ngagerete kinegento ekiyanke likebe lakini toligere lyoborai borobuya kubwa oborai bwa nyumba mono igabwa se suti buna kwa kwanera ne mbuya koba inche sai tindi ase mulengo olibo bwe biara bibere endo mulengo bwe kiale kemo koba nindo chengansa chinde ase nale libagali roro lyo ko rwanero mwana inchi abuno onde okay na hakira tukolere mambia yabone kamera yagone ye ere ya kabire ase obwango manisi ye dakika no nyane ya muiga ntike to yeligelio kwanire omwakie kura kurwa sensemo ya bonchari abigoli kelio ko lyago gochiase omwakie kura imeye nsemo ye bunge ya bonchari mambia yabo
asabantu baminto babonchari ntagete ko batebinga inche kaiga Steven Nyambane na erule kurwanerero monto mutaka bonchari une agenda ya ntangani na erule kurwanerero mutaka na erule kurwanerera masomo na erule kurwanerero mona inchi obonchari erinde tole toborai brobuya oborai okuamini oborai bogokonya omonto oli oleke wango gense erinde tosuke na intu toimoke tosuke etenya kobanga oborai bwete no bwoko gamberu amagenderero ataiyo bona to baboito babonchari ngo batebinga oborai mbole meane nteme mwabeire mogo tema tuabeire toko temenga kientambe sabanta abande lakini tuarolire nganto liko chikokonyeka there is no change ase entunde ye igango basabanga monteme elinde mororenga inkinda abakorere of which ni maetenga na irule nche ni maetente bakorere binto bire byoko bakonya na kubaimokereri elinde tosuke motu buna bonchari ndete kororanga bonchari abere the best constituents in the national as a country the best constituents that's my ambition
okay
yeah
Yemono mwanchomo rigeria asugusanga twasangire mambia yebono kuri umuchakano gwikira wali na twikire omwerio asebono abono tokurekera omwerio nanga kindi kituranyore libaga tugendera gukwandira yanda mange uyu no muchakano na inde chinkwana chingabune ichiga mbono chichage tasinge chibalo tigete metinye mengi sana kurbono ka tochigwika umwaka o 2027 engakieria yobo choli gendera kubati mirobirende atigere aseri tukorigema aseri yari rwikeria nkyo anentomerane ase ms yega lakini kurende guchakira ensa ya moya mugoroba ne chinsa isatu chiabo tukireterane Ishmael Mogere.
Eye Nensoko TV.